life would later become an inspiration to mathematicians around the world, and his legacy will be celebrated on Ramanujan Day. Despite facing financial challenges and limited access to formal education, Srinivasa's love for mathematics led him to explore the subject on his own. Theorems. His intuitive understanding of numbers caught the attention of the renowned mathematician
Good morning everyone. I am Harivedant of class 7B. Today on this Maths Day, the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujam, I would like to present you all one of my formulae. During my young days, I was obsessed with maths, equations, etc. I was obsessed with maths a lot. During COVID time, I started solving Sudoku puzzles. So when I was recently thinking about numbers and equations, some formulae came up to my mind, and this is one of them. Let us see it. So my formulae explains about the additions of two numbers and the multiplication of two numbers. Let us take the number 3. Let us take the variables as x and y. So let us keep x as 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 3 times y or 3y. Let us solve this equation. 3 plus y minus y equals 3y minus y. So plus y and minus y cancels out. So we are left with 3. 3 is equal to 2y. So therefore 3 by 2 is the answer. Now if you notice, we took the number 3 and the answer to is 3 by 2. So 2 is the predecessor of the number 3, which is 1 before the number. So to conclude, when we take a positive integer x, and if they say x plus y is equal to x times y, and the value of x is fixed, the value of y will also be fixed, which is y is equal to x divided by x minus 1. Okay, now let us check our answer. 3 plus 3 by 2. We can take LCM. 6 plus 3 by 2, which is 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So 3 times 3 divided by 2, which is 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So both are same. Now you might ask this question to me. Is it same for only positive integers, and does this work for all types of numbers? Yes, this is the fixed formula only for positive integers. So the formula can vary for negative integers, decimals, rational numbers, proper and improper fractions, etc. Before we conclude, I would like to show you a small formula that I came up with, which is a multiplication trick formula. So the rule should be the multiplication should be consisted of two same numbers. For example, 66 or 33 or 44, etc. If you multiply it by a certain number, for example, 33 into 4, okay, 33 into 4, this is the same as 44 into 3. So what we did here is, there are 2 3's here and 1 4 here. We are replacing it with 2 4's and 1 3. So 33 into 4 is 132. 44 into 3 is also 132. The criteria should be, the two numbers should be of the same digits, like 88, 99, etc. You can also extend the digits like 333, 888, 777, etc. The only rule is The number here should be how many times ever the number was there. For example, there was 2 3s here, so now it became 2 4s. If there were 3 number of 3s, it should have become 3 number of 4s. Thank you.